Asia Ascendant, a new era of global influence. Asia is rising. The 21st century is witnessing the dawn of a new era, the Asian century. From economic powerhouses to technological innovators, Asian nations are reshaping the global landscape. With a rich tapestry of cultures and a determined spirit of progress, Asia stands poised to shape the future. This is the Asian moment. Asia's ascent is evident in its economic prowess. China, the world's second-largest economy, is leading the charge with its manufacturing might and technological advancements. India, a rising giant, is experiencing rapid growth fueled by its burgeoning middle class and its prowess in information technology. Japan, a technological powerhouse, continues to innovate and inspire with its precision engineering and cutting-edge robotics. The Asian century is not merely about economic dominance. It's about a paradigm shift in global power dynamics. As Asia's economies surge, so does its geopolitical influence. The region is becoming a hub for international diplomacy, trade negotiations, and global governance. From the Belt and Road Initiative to the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, Asia is forging its own path on the world stage. Economic dynamism. Engines of global growth. Asia's economic dynamism is reshaping the global landscape. China's rise as a manufacturing powerhouse has transformed global supply chains. Its Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure project, is connecting Asia, Europe, and Africa, fostering trade and investment. India, with its burgeoning middle class and its prowess in information technology, is emerging as a major consumer market and a global hub for software development. Japan, despite facing demographic challenges, remains a technological powerhouse. Its expertise in robotics, automation, and high-precision manufacturing continues to drive innovation globally. South Korea, home to tech giants like Samsung and LG, is a leader in consumer electronics and digital technologies, shaping the way we live and connect. Southeast Asian nations, with their strategic location and youthful populations, are also experiencing rapid economic growth. Indonesia, the region's largest economy, is attracting foreign investment in sectors like manufacturing, tourism, and digital technology. Vietnam, with its low labor costs and favorable business environment, is becoming a manufacturing hub for companies worldwide. Technological prowess, shaping the digital future. Asia is at the forefront of technological innovation, shaping the digital future. From artificial intelligence to 5G networks, Asian nations are leading the way in developing and deploying cutting-edge technologies. China, with its massive investments in research and development, is rapidly catching up to the United States in areas like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biotechnology. South Korea, home to tech giant Samsung, is a global leader in consumer electronics, semiconductors, and 5G technology. Its high-speed internet infrastructure and tech-savvy population have made it a testing ground for new digital products and services. Singapore, a city-state known for its efficiency and innovation, is transforming itself into a smart nation, leveraging technology to improve urban living, governance, and sustainability. Japan, with its legacy of technological excellence, continues to innovate in areas like robotics, automation, and high-precision manufacturing. Its robots are used in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, enhancing productivity and efficiency. India, with its vast pool of software engineers and entrepreneurs, is emerging as a global hub for software development, IT services, and digital startups. The urban transformation, megacities, and innovation hubs. Asia is experiencing an unprecedented wave of urbanization, with megacities sprouting up across the region. These bustling urban centers are becoming engines of economic growth, technological innovation, and cultural exchange. Tokyo, Shanghai, Seoul, and Mumbai are just a few examples of Asian megacities that are home to millions of people and serve as global hubs for finance, commerce, and culture. These megacities are also becoming hotbeds of innovation, attracting talent and investment from around the world. They are home to world-class universities, research institutions, and startup ecosystems, fostering the development of new technologies, business models, and creative industries. The concentration of people, ideas, and resources in these urban centers is driving economic growth and societal progress. However, rapid urbanization also presents challenges. Asian megacities grapple with issues such as traffic congestion, air pollution, and affordable housing. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring the sustainability and livability of these urban centers in the long run.